Hello students, I Priyanka Manik Rao from Prabhat Kids School Akola. Welcome to the science period. In this period, we are going to see exercise of chapter number 8, our nervous system. Yes, come to the exercise. Take out page number 107. Then start first question. Take the correct option. First, the nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Correct option is brain, spinal cord and nerves. Then come to the second one. The spinal cord is protected inside the vertebral column. Third one, motor nerves carry messages from the brain or spinal cord to the parts of the body. Yes, we know that in motor nerves carry the messages from brain or spinal cord to the sense organs of the body or all body parts. Then a quick response to a stimulus is called a reflex action. The last one is the lowermost part of the brain is the medulla. Come to the second question. Fill in the blanks. First one, the brain is protected in the skull. Yes, we know that brain is protected by the skull bone. Then second one, the medulla of the brain regulates the heartbeat and breathing. Third one, the cerebellum of the brain controls movement and maintains the balance of the body. Yes, cerebellum is the another most important part of the brain which is helpful for the control, movement and maintenance of the body. Then fourth one, the vertebral column is made up of 33 bones. Yes, we know that vertebral column is made up of 33 ring-like bones. Then fifth one, the space between the brain and the skull bone is filled with a fluid. So this is watery fluid is present in between the brain and skull bone. Then question number 3. Complete the flow chart. So this is the flow chart of whole nervous system, that the starting from nervous system means nervous system is made up of, it comprises to 3 main parts: brain, spinal cord and nerves. Means the third important part is nerves. Then come to the brain. Brain made up of means 3 important parts of the brain are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Then next one, nerves. So types of nerves are, first type of nerve is sensory nerve and another type is motor nerves. Then question number 4, answer the following question in a one sentence, and the question number 5, answer the following questions in 2 to 3 sentences. Then this both long answer type question and short answer type question you have to write from the lesson only. Then come to the next question, higher order thinking skills question. So read the situations given below and answer the following questions. First question, the Raman meets with a road accident. He injures his head as he was not wearing a helmet while riding a motorcycle. After the accident, he was not able to walk because he could not maintain his balance. So, which part of the brain could have been injured? Yes, Raman met with a road accident and he injures his head because of not wearing a helmet while riding a motorcycle, and after the accident he was not able to walk because he could not maintain his balance. So the correct answer is cerebellum, because the cerebellum of the brain, it controls movement and maintains the balance of the body. So the answer is cerebellum. Then come to the question number 2. A spider climbed on Anu's hand. She quickly shook her hand and got rid of it. What kind of action helped Anu get rid of the spider? Yes, which type of action get rid of the spider? Which is done by the Anu? Yes, the correct answer is reflex action. Means this is the uh, quick response to the stimulus. Means it is a reflex action. So answer is reflex action. Now value based type question. It is important to keep the brain and sense organs healthy, active and safe. So take yes or no for the statements that are the true for you. So you have to think and choose the correct option whether your opinion is yes or no. So first one, I play outdoors every day for at least an hour. You have to play outdoors every day for at least 1 hour. So option is yes. Then second one, I wear a helmet when I ride a bicycle or ride a pillion on a motorcycle. So the correct option is yes. The helmet is very important while riding a bicycle or motorcycle. Then third question, I watch television for less than an hour every day. Yes, the option is yes, because more than 1 hour is harmful for our vision also. Then fourth one, I play video or computer games every evening for 3 to 4 hours. So your opinion is always no. Why? Or our eyesight. It damages our eyesight. Fifth one, I solve puzzles and read books every day. Yes, it is very good habit. Then sixth, I sleep for at least 8 hours every night. 8 hours every night. Yes, minimum 8 hours sleep is very important for the healthy life. Then next one, activity zone. So ask a friend to blindfold you. Sit on the floor and request your friend to place several small objects in a tray in front of you. Now you have to touch each object with your index finger and try to recognize it. So you can easily touch it and recognize. So how many objects could you recognize in a minute? You now try to recognize the object by holding them in your palm. So how many could you recognize in a minute? Which method was better in recognize object and why? So this is the optional part, means activity zone. You have to do this activity at your home and write down their answers. Project zone. So what is the project? There is a one group work is given on that page. So reading by feeling means this is the visually challenged people read by feeling letters with their fingers. The letters used by them are of a special type. Means sometimes visually challenged people read by feeling the letters with their fingers. Means their touch having their special feelings. So the letters used by them are of a special type. Means the letter designed by special type. Each letter is a formed by 6 dot arrangement in a 2 column of 3 dots each. Look at this table. Means each letter is a form. This is the A letter is a form by 6 dot arranged in a 2 column. So 3 in a 1 column, then 3 in another column. So this 6 dot arranged in 2 columns of 3 dots in each column. So few of these dots are raised to form a particular letter. So look at this table. Now for A only 1 dot. It notify This is the A. But what about the B? This 2 is determined that this letter is B. Now what about C? This horizon of this letter C. Now T. This method of writing is known as the Braille script. It was developed by Louis Braille. When he was 3 years old, he injured his right eye and soon he lost his eyesight in both eyes. So, when Louis Braille, he was 3 years old, he injured his right eye and as soon lost his eyesight by both eyes. So, because of that, this method and these letters was discovered by Louis Braille. So, 4 letters of the Braille script are given. First out. So, first is A, B, C and T. So, now we had to find out the letter which is written here in the Braille script. The big dots indicate the rest dot and write the letters in the blanks. So first is these 2 blocks identified by, this is the C. It denotes C. Now first is which is clearly mentioned in this table, that is the only one block is A. Then these 6 blocks that shown this letter is T. Then 2 dots, they clearly mention that this letter is B. Now next, this single dot, they given that the letter is A. And this last one, this 4 dots, they shows T. Okay. Now this is called as the Braille Lipi, which was developed by Louis Braille. And it is usually used by the visually challenged people. Now, the great scientist, the Santiago Ramon y Cajal, who was born 1st May 1857 to 17 October 1934. So, Santiago Ramon y Cajal was a Nobel laureate. He pioneered the investigations of the microscopic structure of the brain and is regarded by many as the father of modern neuroscience. Now, what is neuroscience? Neuroscience, it is the branch of a science in which the study of different nerves and brain. Now you have to write the exercise in your regular notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.